In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and let me show you how to change the date and time. So first of all, enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Go to system then and pick date and time. And here you can either use network provided time or you can turn it off and change date and time manually by yourself. So as you can see, from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. The network provided time zone also can be switched off, and then you can manage it also manually. So just pick the region and time zone if available. And this is it. Whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just use those switchers. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.